Hello everyone, it is Bowmaster306 and I am here today to bring you another video from the residential area of myself. And well, that just sounded so different. But anyway, got the package here, and I guess the shipping people didn't realize that there are two packaging stamps on the top of it that show the binary code on it as well, so I'm not gonna show that, but I did show 4 photos that were on my Twitter. Go to my Twitter, follow it, look at it all the time, please. It's for every update towards, you know, just random videos that I do or anything, whatever. And let's get right into it. You know, as you see from the title, yes, this is what you expect. Also, sorry to say, but it is very quiet. That is just how I want things to be. I don't want it to be so noisy that the camera picks it up and then weird stuff. Whew. Almost cut my leg there for a second because I had to cut in the side, but I didn't, thank God. Oh joy! Oh, you didn't see it? The scare better not have saw that, but. Here's the box that was in the package. I swear. Okay, so now I gotta cut the tape, which is going to be hard because if I don't cut it right, then I might cut into the device, and I don't want that. That's one side. Oh, it was on the other side, okay. Yeah, got the charger right there, little pouch that comes with it, lanyard strap, okay, some screen protectors, very useful. Look at that. Look at it! Look at it. Look at it. This is awesome. Freaking plastic wrap. It's like, what? 5th grade wrapping? Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that actually did prove to be very solid at best. Alright, it's out of the plastic. Good. Oh yeah. Look at how my light just shines off the box. It's like glistening. And to be honest, I love Pokemon, so this works for me. I do have a reputation to uphold that I have to get back to a lot of Pokemon games. Nostalgic feeling. So, I think there's a way to... Yeah. There's a yeah, if you can see, there's a little opening in the back that I have to... Ow! Ow! Okay, that hurt. That hurt. You know what? I'm just gonna take a jump cut right here. So, hold on a little second. Alright, I'm back. While I took the little break, I decided to take more photos of the unboxed items and oh, alright, I just, like, the box is open, but the charger's right here, yet I have another charger over here. So is this like a plug charger, and then I just use one of the boxes, charge boxes, then plug this in? I guess that works. Wow, I remember having you. This thing always got lost, but now I'm gonna make sure to have extra careful planning towards not losing it. Yep, it's in this. Oh my gosh, I can already see the outline. Okay, you guys ready? Oh, look at that! Look at that! I can't even believe this. Thank you, Lite. I appreciate it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, and it has a little. Alright. Oh, easy at the top. Shoot! Oh, this is great! Oh my gosh! Oh. Past self, if you are rewatching this video right now, we are hyping nostalgic train all the way. Oh my gosh. I know I'm getting too distracted, but hey, can you blame me? There's also plastic on the back. Hold on. Yep. Looks like it just came off the assembly line. I like it. Oh, wow. And there's plastic inside. I hate the fact when they have a product and they put like plastic all around. It just makes you want to destroy the. Oh my god! Look at that. Wait. Yep, that's awesome. Okay, directional pad is good. A, B, Y, X. Start and. Does it have battery though? There's battery. Oh, it has battery. Oh, yes. Oh. Only the wait. Only the realest of people can understand this childhood nostalgia moment right here. I shall love you and take care of you so much. Oh. The thing is, I'm gonna put this back here just to be safe. Or wait a minute, actually, and this is gonna be a long video, so get comfortable. Gonna open up this. This is supposed to be a pouch. Yep. It says this is for 3DS, but who cares? There. Still fits. It's inside right now. I'm not complaining. I love it. Alright, so charger. Yes. Gonna close up this knife here because that would mean that my fingers are in danger if it keeps looking out. Is there anything else? I think. The instruction booklet. Nostalgic right there. Alright. Gonna have that. Put away all of this junk. And then it's just the two things here that were the screen protectors. I gotta put those on. Charger, we all know. Get that out. Put you over here. Strap, worry about you later. And that is it. So, I hope you all enjoyed. I sure did enjoy it because, my God, throughout these days of just the coronavirus, excuse me, literally making everyone just stay inside, this has made me be like, you know what, I really don't care. As long as I'm playing this, I'm good. See, you can literally see that it actually is very comfortable inside. Although I am getting a case for my Nintendo Switch soon, so that, not Switch, darn it, Nintendo DS Lite. I am with the Nintendo franchise in my brain. It's like, oh, you're about to say Nintendo? Guess what? Put a Nintendo Switch after that and say that word. It's like, perfect. Then my brain's like, Nintendo Switch. No, not Nintendo Switch. Anyway, this video's getting too long. Hope you all enjoyed. Please stay safe. Please enjoy my other videos that I have done. Thank you all so much for getting me to this year of having 78 subscribers. And stay chillin'.